From cherry blossom season with its gorgeous pink flowers to full-sized fruit, cherries are awesome. But when it comes to harvest, they're delicate and they have a short harvest window. So when harvest season hits, it's a mad dash to get everything done quickly and efficiently. I'm visiting Gebbers Farms in Chelan to learn how they're making sure fresh cherries are ready just in time.
So we are in like the heart of the cherry season. And it's up to us to provide volume of good cherries from about June 1st all the way to August 10th, with a cherry that traditionally is like a 2-week harvest.
Hawkins Gebbers has done just about every job at Gebbers Farms, so he knows all the best ways to extend the season.
Every 100 feet of elevation change is gonna be like a 2-day harvest window difference. In other words, if I harvest at the river, I can harvest 100 feet higher 2 days later. So we've planned our farm from almost sea level all the way up to almost 3,000 feet up here. And we've planted varieties that have a different length from bloom to harvest.
This is probably the largest contiguous cherry orchard on the planet.
Mac Riggin works in sales and marketing for Chelan Fresh. Part of harvest involves measuring cherries for size. Today, Mac is showing me how to size cherries the old-fashioned way.
So if you start picking some of these cherries off here, which are still a few days to go, and you put it in the hole that it will not fall through. That's not 8.5, so that's a 9 row. I got a feeling that's an 8.5. Why don't you try that one?
Yeah.
I mean, that's a real winner.
Now it's time for me to learn how to pick cherries the right way.
If I just grab all this fruit and pull, number one, I pull off the little fruiting spurs for next year. So I'm destroying next year's crop. So I'm gonna pick these cherries not by grabbing the fruit, but by gently getting into the stem and turning up. And so I only get cherry and stem.
Now it's time for me to try. I've got 2 minutes to fill my bucket, starting now.
I don't want to ruin the tree. Oh, there. That's nothing.
Pretty good quality-wise. Speed-wise, probably wouldn't make a living at it.
No.
Okay, not bad. 1 leaf.
1 leaf.
That's $1 an hour off your pay. But yeah, pretty good. So we'll just say that within 2 minutes, she covered the bottom of the bucket.
I'm not fired yet.
Well, you weren't hired yet, so you can't be fired. But the effort, we love the effort.
Compared to the professionals picking for the same amount of time, I'm afraid I won't be able to compete.
Oh my gosh. Mine didn't even cover the bottom.
True professional. Bueno, gracias, amigo.
It brings a lot of joy to us, like being a part of growing like a raw material from the ground and doing it as a team. I mean, our family is majority a Christian family. And one of the verses someone brought up that we were all like, yes, it was like the joy of the Lord is our strength in Jeremiah. And it was like, man, why do we do this every day, even though it's like a long struggle? It's a lot of hard work. It is joyful. And so we like doing it.
God's work right here.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah.